Welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on my sweet potatoes. First time I've ever planted the sweet potatoes here, so we'll see what's underneath. I usually plant it in containers because it's so much easier to handle, and I can just turn it over and start looking and see what I have. But I planted these in May 4th, so I think they're about due. I didn't want to wait any longer, so I'm going to try and get it done today. So come check it out. Um, see, it's my first ones here, and I think that they say to cut these when the leaves start to die off, and they are to a point they are kind of dying back a little bit. So I didn't want to wait any longer. And let's see if we can get anything out of this here. These I planted from slips. I actually bought the seeds from I think Walmart, and then I put it in some water and then planted the slips. Watch out, Lucy. Watch out. Watch out. Come on. Backpack. All right. Let's see what we have. Well, look at this. Already. Uh-oh. Wow, that looked good. So I think we're gonna have a good harvest here. All right, I'm gonna dump. Watch out, Lucy. Let's see what we have. And there we go. Holy man! Okay, looking good. Look at that. That they grew around the tub like that. I think you still eat this stuff. Wow. I planted 2 slips here. Like in this one. All right, let's get in this. See what we got here. Hope that's not it. Oh. Wow. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna see if I can maybe save. Oh wow, we got a lot. Maybe it's a good thing. Maybe I waited as long as I did. So I was thinking about harvesting these a month earlier. But I'm glad I waited. Wow. Not bad for just 2 little slips. Little potatoes. Let's keep digging. Guess you can still eat the little ones. I'm gonna save them. The soil is really, you can see it's really dry. I don't know if that was a good thing. Take these little ones. Yeah, it's really dry. Like, I don't want to freaking miss any in here. Wow, I don't know if there's anything in here. Let's do this. Nothing there. That might be it. I think that's it. Let's take a look at the harvest. Not bad. 2 little slips. Got some small ones. I think I waited. I didn't harvest them too quickly. Maybe these probably would have got a little bigger if I waited another month or so. Maybe. But as far as harvest, it's not that bad. So first sweet potato harvest. Definitely going to try to plant these again next year, next season. Maybe I can save some of one of these for to make slips out of for the next planting season. So hey, thank you for joining me, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification button, and I'll see you guys next time.